we have a wide range of portfolio when it comes to digitalizing surfaces and measuring roughness and topography. This is a growing field that we see as an application is really growing. And the software which we use and all those technologies for visualizing and analyzing the data that we are capturing is MountainsSEM. Since for us this is the industry standard and what is asked most by our customers.
A couple of other nice features is colorizing the images. So it makes it a nice presentation tool, making nice posters and things like that.
So some of the main advantages of using this software is having the actual 3D rendering of two-dimensional scanning electron microscope images.
Also, it's very simple to use. It's a powerful software platform that's well accepted in industry for surface roughness measurements.
Well, definitely the most appreciated, I think, for customers is the workflow analysis tool. This allows customers to see what automatically is saved in each analysis, and that's used as a template to go back and use it to apply to new analyses.
I think the support from Digital Surf is great. We have a lot of different customers and they usually want something bespoke that's not in any available analysis software. So the turnaround time to get a new feature or report something that could be of use to a lot of people is very good.